let's talk a bit about the recuperation system in the Mitsubishi Outlander. So, of course, this is a plug-in hybrid, so it uses electric motors, which means we can recover energy here precisely through braking. We can set the level of energy recovery here on this panel. Let's move on to this panel down below. As we can clearly see right here, this specific button, which serves as a clear indicator for our braking system, demonstrates exactly how simple and intuitive it is to activate the energy recovery process from braking. If we take a moment to press this particular option, then while we are in the standard drive mode, we can effectively utilize the full potential of the vehicle's recuperation system to maximize efficiency. So what's very important is that if we release the brake, we can use these paddles to increase or decrease recuperation. As we can see, B5 means this is the maximum level of recuperation, and we can also reduce it down to B0. That's the minimum level of recuperation, and that's how you use this recuperation. If we want to turn it off, we just press this pedal button again. Then, of course, we have the drive position without the B symbol. As we can see here, it's in drive. However, if we want to enable recuperation, we activate this pedal and use our paddles. So that's all. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.